There's always that part of me that's like, ṣáwọn àgbààgbà ò ní rò pé kí lè ń sọ báyìí, kí ni kọ́tọ̀kọ́tọ̀ tí lè ń sọ báyìí. Káwá rẹ́ ọ̀kan náà àwọn àgbà yẹn tó wá sọ fún mi pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí má dáwọ́ ẹ̀ dúró, má ṣe lọ o. That's for me. I think Olódùmarè made that happen so that it can just be like a fuel that will keep me running.
You see, these things work together. You know, on one occasion I called you and said, that thing you said is not actually it. When we're talking about Ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ alárẹ̀.
Ìjẹ̀bú ọmọ alárẹ̀.
And you went back and you corrected it and you brought me into, you know, we are not soothsaying. We are not involved in mumbo jumbo. We are involved in a scientific enterprise. By science here, I don't mean physics, chemistry, biology. I mean a consistent, structured way of building knowledge. So whenever you make a foray into some area of knowledge and you see that there's a need to readjust your approach, that is the